Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, July 21st, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a just an absolutely horrible day today. I kind of feel like the sky is falling. I don't know. I can't believe some of the stuff that's been happening to me. The website got just completely obliterated this weekend, and you think that's bad? Well, I bought a new used car this weekend. The idea was get something, kind of a fun vehicle for my son and I to go camping and off-roading in. And when I'm driving over to the lady's house who was going to sign the title over to me, I was driving this vehicle, and some crazy driver T-boned me, virtually totaled the vehicle. And fortunately, I was not hurt. It was a really big, heavy piece of crap that did a good job of protecting me from injury. But very fortunate. If I'd been driving the little car I normally drive that gets about 50 miles to the gallon, I would have been killed for sure. But as it is, I just have a basically totaled new used car in my hands. Insurance will take care of it, not a problem, and nobody was hurt. But between the website and that, and then today, I'm thinking, hey, the sky is falling. Anyway, not a great feeling. Well, I just want to say on the website, I have dealt with at least 10 totally incompetent technical support people, and I finally just threw up my hands today and says they don't know anything, they're never going to be able to help me out, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my own thing. And I started basically rebuilding the website from scratch, and I had some success. So I do think that probably within 2 or 3 days I'm going to be able to at least have a front page up, be able to put my videos up again, and start posting some stuff. It's going to be a while before I get all those articles back up again, but I will get them up in time. I think I can get everything back up, but boy, is it a big job. Big pain in the neck. Anyway, today, I wanted the Dow down. I predicted the Dow down. Hey, maybe I'm the one to blame here. Dow fell 181 points. Really big plunge here. And it came down and found support at my middle red line down here. Didn't want to penetrate that, or at least not penetrate it very, very long. And it came back up some, even though it did still close down 181. That's the good news. I mean, I'm happy to see that we really needed this to happen. It was just way too toppy up here. And so I'm glad to see it down. But what was tough is we had about $5,000 negative open trade equity yesterday on the close. By the time we got out of that was negative over $10,000 that we closed on. So that was a big kick in the butt, no question about it. But what was really disgusting about today is that while the Dow's doing this huge fall, and all of it right at the beginning of the day, I mean, no phony rally here at all. It was just down right from the beginning. In spite of that, somehow we got into 12 positions today. And do you think 12 positions we got into today would be good? Well, I don't think so. Of those 12 positions, 11 are negative. One is just barely positive, like $100 or so. I mean, these are all terrible positions. We got a dozen terrible positions going into tomorrow. Negative over $5,000. But look what happened yesterday. We had negative $5,000. It became $10,000 today. I don't know what these this negative $5,000 might go to tomorrow. So just horrible. Just absolutely horrible. The sky is falling. Yeah. Anyway, we will make this up on the rebound. I know. I honestly, I wish the Dow had gone even further. I know I'm being, asking too much here, but I just, I don't know if a bounce where it is right now is going to do us a whole lot of good. I don't think it's going to straighten out these 12 bad positions. I think those 12 bad positions can only get worse. I have absolutely nothing good to show you. There's just not a single, nothing good to show you. So I'll show you the worst trade we had, and that was in, it was SUNE, that's Sun Edison. Yes, Sun Edison. And as I say, this was the worst, but all of the stocks we were trading looked kind of like this. We'd bought this yesterday on the pop, almost, it gapped up. We buy the gaps. Sometimes those gaps are incredibly profitable. It wasn't with Sun Edison. We got in nearly the high tick of the day. It just sold off against us all day long, and then it gaps down today, and we finally get out, and that thing costs us like $3,500. Really expensive trade. That was the worst one, but look, it kept going. I mean, thank God we get out. We would probably be down $5,000-$6,000, maybe $7,000 even, if we'd hung on to that. Of course, we don't hang on to it. We do have stops in the market, and we do get out. So, terrible day. Trader Bob is not happy, but I am nevertheless glad to see the Dow down, and I do think that this is fairly temporary, and it's going to reverse, and we'll have some good times. So, Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.